This is Samsung Galaxy A12. The back is look new, but the front screen is no more functional, so today we're going to replace it. There are two kinds of screen you can buy. One of them, which is original, comes with the mid frame, and another one only the LCD. So today I'm going to use the genuine one because the picture quality much more better and it's easy way to replace. You don't have to apply any sort of glue or adhesive. So first take out the SIM tray because we need to pull out the back cover, and then we'll take out the back cover by this flat opening tool. We just need to play with it side by side, spudger it, and it should come out. I'm supposed to be more careful to pull this out, but luckily there is no any cap or shield top of this flex. Now we need to unscrew all the screws that you can see on the mid cover. All of them same in size, so don't worry. Either you can keep it together or you can keep it organized as you wish. Now first of all you have to disconnect the battery connector and then every single flexes. Our main target to pull out every single component which one doesn't comes with the main LCD panel, include the vibrator, ear speaker, camera, battery, charging port, charging flex, almost everything. So let's do it. To removing the battery from any Android phone, especially Samsung, is very difficult. I always use a trick. I use 99.99% rubbing alcohol or PCB cleaner, that's the one. Okay, I spray a little bit at the bottom side and shake it a bit just to let the underneath adhesive a little bit softer. But don't try to use at the front part because the anode and cathode covered with the seal tape. Okay, and once you apply, few minutes later, if you try to pull this out with any struggling, you can separate it. As you can see, the battery shape never been changed because of I don't have to use any sort of pressure on it. Now everything is easy and we can finish the job simply. This is the time to put back the motherboard, charging port, all the flaxes into the place to finalize the job. So finally all done. The screen seems everything is fine and the quality is exactly same as the new one because the part is genuine. I don't have to use any sort of adhesive or glue anything, which one made me feels good and easy, you know. Always after you repair, you should give it a try with the charging, because especially for Samsung A series, their charging board is really weak, so you have to do extra care. Always check the brightness if it goes up and down. If it does, then that's mean it's absolutely fine. Okay, and still if you do have any question, leave it in the comment section. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thank you.